Good morning, Philippines. Good morning, everyone. I am cooking, guys. Good morning. So I will do a fried chicken that I marinated last night, and then this one is going to be bad. So I boiled this a broccoli. Good morning. Good morning. You cannot see what I am doing. And then we will wash. This one is big, we need to make it half. This I boiled. Hello, good morning with my YouTube. So it's so hot. The okra or a lady finger, I boiled. No need to put oil. So this is one is kind of a healthy food. And then after the broccoli also, I boiled the broccoli here. I'm cleaning it. Okay, so this one is done. So we need to put on the table. This one is for our lunch, so because I saw there's lots of vegetable inside the refrigerator or inside the fridge, so while it's going bad, so that's why I cook this one for our lunch. I will bring it here. Okay, and then I have my chicken. So this one I marinated last night. So you can see, guys, this chicken. So I make it fried. The chicken. Okay. So this one is really marinated so that the taste will absorb. You know, I marinated this one for a. I cut the chicken, you know, like not too big, but you can see, guys, like this big. Okay, like this. I'll show you guys. This one. Okay, so I marinated this one with a lemon juice, and then a lots of garlic, because garlic is very good for your the high blood pressure, and also garlic, lemon, black pepper, little bit salt, and also a little bit a soya sauce, and then little bit of, you know, like a chicken powder. Okay, so I marinated this one for a whole night. Now I will fry this with this one, crispy fry. But before that, okay, I need to clean this broccoli to boil. Okay, here we still have bad, so we need to remove. Okay, so I want to clear. So just now, I watched the video, or you know, that I saw already that our beloved ex-president Rodrigo Duterte, okay, was already here in the Philippines. Dumating na po siya. So dumating na si Tatay Digong. That's why last Saturday I go live on my TikTok account. And I never expected that I have a lot of guests that watching me. It's almost like for a 300, and there's a lot of you know, comments and saying like this and like that. Alam nyo, actually I don't love politics. Hindi ako mahilig sa politiko. Okay? I don't love politics. Okay? And I don't love following the world. Kung ano nakikita ko, kung what did I see, yun ang sinasabi ko. If what did I see, that's only I am saying. Okay? So, kasi, ang ICC po kasi, ang international court, no, hindi, wala na tayo sa kanila. Nag-separate na tayo, humiwalay na tayo, hindi na tayo nakasali. Hello. Chicken. Hindi na po tayo nakasali sa ICC. Okay? So, sa madaling salita, parang something like the ICC was surprised that why our President Bongbong Marcos sending our ex-president there in Netherlands. Kasi kina-question. Okay, dahil nga sa kanyang campaign before as being a president na by campaigns for drugs. Okay? Mas gusto ko nga yung I like na kung merong mag-comments, kung ano yung comments nila, I would love kung ano yung comment nila. Siyempre, I want to learn more knowledge. Kung ano yung kanilang opinion or kung ano ang sasabihin ng ibang tao. Kasi iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang prinsipyo na tinatawag o iba-ibang panindigan. So, ang iba kasi ang mahal mo ang isang tao, iba rin ang tinatawag nating suporta. It's different. That you love someone and then you support someone. So, magkaiba yun. So, ang mga Pilipino is kung si Tatay Digong ang mayroong hindi maganda talaga, of course, the Filipino people are not love him. Hindi siya mahal. Diba? Then, kaya meron siyang ring nagawa, kaya mahal siya ng taong sambayanan. Diba? So, siyempre, iba-iba rin kasi mga loyal, loyalist. Sabi natin, loyalist. Diba? Iba-iba yung panindigan sa buhay. Iba-iba yung mga prinsipyo. So, but for me, because nakita ko naman, I'm not a supporter, but I love Tatay Digong. Because in this world, kailangan naman natin talaga magmahalan eh. We need to lang siya mananapit. Diba? Di natin kailangan naman mag-away. I always say, let's love one another in this world. This is what I always saying. Let's love one another. Parang ang hirap kasi pag sinasabi mong magmahalan. Magmahalan ang taong sambayanan. So this one I clean already. So we need to remove this. So naglinis ko na. So here we are. So this is my broccoli now. I will clean this one. And then with a cucumber salad. Cucumber only I will cut it this one. Okay, babalatan ko lang to. And then ihihiwain at kakainin. So I will peel up the skin. Ang hirap talaga sa tayong mga mga tao. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung tama at mali at kung sino yung nagsasabi ng totoo. Diba? It's very hard. Who was telling the truth? You know, who is the real one. Ba? Ay, hindi ko nakakita. Balatan na natin ito. Cucumber. Okay. Babalatan ko lang to and then hihiwain. And then I cook already the rice for our lunch. Baka mapapansin, maybe you will confuse that why I always cooking. Just because everyone don't loves to cook. Like me. Example, we are here at the office and of course everyone don't like the smell. So, but me, I love cooking. I love to cook. I love the kitchen, you know. So this one, I wash it and then I'll cut it. So now I will wash this one first. Okay, so here we are. Okay, hugasan natin ito muna. This one is hot. This one is hot. So here. Hi Judy T. Good morning my Facebook family. God bless you. And then I'm going to arrange now. chicken. Here we are. Here. This one. Hello. Hi, Karacha. Thank you so much. Shout out. Shout out everyone. Ay. Konnichiwa. And then, you know, guys, also I watched the video yesterday, the one for one of the policemen, and only he was a corporal, okay? And he was a corporal, and he was saying, only I watched this video, okay? Only he was saying that his point is saying for our President Bongbong Marcos that even though that you are the president and I only ordinary policeman, but I will not follow you what I'm not going to follow you what you are order if it is wrong. He was saying like that. Okay, so then this is my chicken. Okay. Now I will do is here. Okay, sige tayo. This is my chicken. Put here. And then fry. Put here. I need to be very careful because of my blouse, my clothes. This one. I will finish this one first. Kaya ang hirap guys, it's really very hard. What happened in this world, about the government, about for drugs. Does somebody call? don't know what is this. Ay, so, prito na natin to. Ito, huwag natin tapon. Maghugas muna kay wash my hand.